My name is Jaden Gonsalves. I'm from Goa and I'm 19 years old. I was in Loyola's till the 10th and then I did Stellar's for 11th and 12th. I am currently studying at the University of Georgia and am beginning my second semester. I actually started with low expectations, but this place has blown them out of proportion. And I've had a really positive experience with the University of Georgia. The staff and everyone has been very accommodating. If you have any doubts, they help clearing it out, or any problem with the applications, they help out a lot. I was really happy with the place and the people and the culture. Like I said, it's been a really good experience with the faculty. They are always present, even online. Like you just send them a text and they'll reply with your doubts or whatever. This is the first time I've gone out of India and it's a very safe, very easy to settle in. There are a lot of Indian students here, so because of that, there are many stores which sell spices and the masalas, and also a couple of Indian restaurants that serve really nice food. I have actually a plan of taking the USMLEs and studying abroad, going to the US. I've heard that the school also helps with that process, helping you through the steps, what to do, what not to do. The living expenses here are pretty alright. I mean, compared to other European countries, I feel it's much better. 30 rupees is basically one of their currency, which is the Georgian lari. And the fees we pay at the college is 5,500 USD. And for living expenses, I feel with $300 per month, you should be fine with all expenses. So I actually had no clue about the studies abroad. So when I went and visited Travco, they explained to me and told me about this country. And Mr. Bruno was there for every step of the application, from the visa process to the school application. Everything was handled by him. So it was quite easy. All I can say is like don't give up. I mean, although maybe one plan didn't work out, another one will. Just believe in yourself.